Hello everyone, today in this video I'll show you how to delete all of your Tinder matches quickly, so let's jump right into it. First we go ahead and open Tinder. Now from here tap on the person icon on the bottom right corner and then tap on the gear on the top right corner of the screen. From here just scroll down until you find this button that says delete account on the bottom right here. Tap on it and then tap on delete my account. From here tap I want a fresh start and then tap on I want to reset my matches. Now this is the only method you can follow to delete all of your matches. Let's say you have a lot of matches and you cannot delete them one by one, just go ahead and choose this method and tap on continue to account deletion. This account will be deleted and you'll have to create another one and start a new fresh start. And that's how you do it, guys. I hope this video was helpful. Please comment and like. Don't forget to subscribe for the channel to find new solutions to your problems. And thanks for watching.